Hello, this video for calibrating the axis. Okay, we have panel, system panel and printer. You can up or home. You need check stopper. You can this. This head need what you can't. This one second you need to check for equal this point and this point. Okay, up axis I press it and double click and the axis home, it's green button. Okay, I will press the home. Need to look head bed. Need what? No, nozzle not very pressed for headed bed. If check, you can spam the home. In video not looking what this home, this nozzle here pressed to headed bed, but very pressed. What doing? Okay, if this pressed, I think it's axis, because this need this. Okay, need and the one and repeat the home. Nothing? Okay, again. And retry. Okay, not press it and check what nozzle good in heated bed. Okay, this axis complete. Need check one point because maybe uncalibrated, because you calibrating 2 point. Oh, not wrong. Oh, and oh, not pressed this if in home, because you can get this. Not this. It's very bad. Not doing. Okay. Double press Y and the home. If you can look now, this need fixing this axis, because here is okay. Нет. Так. And home. if not correctly, you can get this and or up or down. Так. Okay, this is complete. Check again second point, because will him uncalibrated. Так. Uncalibrated, but very very small. Again this. Neat. Oop. Так. And press it home. Okay, super. And finish check. And complete. Calibrated has been complete. Next chapter I show how change plastic in this extruder.